In this video, we will solve the following exercise about quadratic equations. The exercise says, the population P in millions of bacteria on a piece of cheese after t days, where t is a variable, is given by the equation P equal kt squared plus t plus 1, where k is a constant that is valid for the range greater than or equal to 2 and less than or equal to 12. A. Study this table carefully to find the value of k and then copy and complete the table. So the first thing that we're going to have to do is that we're going to have to recognize the equation that is given. P equal kt squared plus t plus 1. After that, we are going to study the numbers given. We only have two numbers, 2 days and 10 million, 12 days and 265 million. So let's use this. First, let's write the equation P equal kt squared plus t plus 1. So 10 million is equal to k into 2 squared plus 2 plus 1. Let's find k. 10 equal to 4k plus 3 plus 1. 4k plus 3 is equal to 10. Let's move 3 to the other side of the equal to isolate k. 4k is equal to 7 divided by 4. Then k is equal to 7 over 4, which represents 1.75. That would be the answer.